Christmas with the Saviourites.
Christmas with Saviourites.
Christmas with Saviourites.
Saviourites of Loutolim is the church choir of the parish of Loutolim. And under this banner, for this Christmas season, we came up with a concert of Christmas carols known as Christmas with Saviourites.
It was a dream of our musical director. He always had this in mind, to have a Christmas concert. And finally, this Christmas, it was his dream come true.
हो एक नाताल गितांचो कार्यक्रम ह्या दिसांनी जायते कडेन जाला, पूण आज निमणे कडेन तो आमच्या कामोर्लीम गांवांत पॅरिशेंत जाला.
This is a concert, a successful concert that we had.
The aim of this concert was to spread the message of love, peace, and brotherhood through song and music to the people whom we encounter.
We are thankful to God for inspiring and motivating our leader, our conductor, Mr. Sebi Fernandez, to come out with this concert.
It was a beautiful experience together with the musicians and singers. For this concert, we had 25 singers and 15 instrumentalists. They have given their best and I owe them everything.
Sebi, our musical director, our maestro, it was his hard effort. He groomed us for the last 3 months to come at this level. And it was his dream. Today, we can see the success. We have performed at major places in Goa.
कार्यक्रम असलो करपाक कॉन्सर्ट बोकोटीन, कित्याक जायत्या जाणांचो हात जाय पडटा. आनी ह्या कार्यक्रमाच्या फुडाऱ्यान सेबी फेर्नांदीस हाणें बरे हुशारकायेन केलें. जायतीं ताणें प्रॅक्टिसो केल्यो आनी जायतें ताणें आपणाचो मेहनत घालून म्हणल्या भाशेन हो कार्यक्रम लोकां मुखार मांडलो.
तर आमच्या सेबीक आमी पयलीं सुवाते दिवन वाचता. आमच्या म्युजिशियन्स तशेंच सिंगर्स, आमच्या गांवची तशींच आमच्या हेराय सरभोंवती वाठारांतलीं भाव भयणां आमची सांगाताक आयलीं आनी हो कॉन्सर्ट आमकां सक्सेसफूल करूंक आदार दिलो.
गावपी जावं वाजोवपी तांकांय शाबासकी. बरे हुशारकायेन हो कार्यक्रम तांणी लोकां मुखार दवरलो.
Today's performance was the last for this season and we hope to have it for the next year also. We received a huge admiration and appreciation from people across Goa and we are really thankful to them. We have put across this message of Christmas to people of all faiths, not only to Christians, but to everyone. And this is the mission we have accomplished by having this Christmas concert.